Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You've signed up and verified. Now set clear intent so Nova returns useful outputs. First, choose a specific task and collect example prompts or files you'll use. Once done, enable two-factor authentication and connect any integrations like Google Drive or Slack so data flows smoothly. Make sure to pick a workspace or project name to isolate context. Finally, open Nova's chat and paste a short brief with the top 3 expectations, so the assistant starts with. Now focus on crafting prompts that guide Nova precisely. Start with a one-line system instruction, then add step-based user prompts. This reduces ambiguity. Once uploaded, tag files and reference exact line numbers or sections so the model cites relevant content. Use the model settings to pick tone and output format and run a quick test query to inspect structure. If generating code or data, ask for comments and edge case handling. Iterate by tightening or expanding steps until outputs meet your quality bar. Finish by reviewing Nova's result and requesting 1 or 2 concise revisions or a summary. Once content is polished, export in the format you need: PDF, Markdown, CSV, or push directly to connected apps. Make sure to save the chat as a reusable template if you'll repeat this workflow. If Nova drifts or gives wrong facts, reset the conversation, refine the system prompt with stricter constraints, and supply counterexamples. That correction loop fixes most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.